Okay, problem number 2 of Bellwork 18A. Problem number 2 is pretty much the same exact thing as problem number 1. So the first thing I'd like you to do is, because we have to do a double reflection, write down your original ordered pairs, your FGH, twice. Write them down under the x-axis reflection and write them down under the y-axis reflection. Go ahead, pause your video and do that. Okay, the first reflection will be over the x-axis. The second reflection will be over the y-axis. So for the first one, a reflection over the x-axis means that x will stay the same, and we take the opposite of y. So for f to f prime, the x-coordinate will stay the same, so 4 is still 4, but then the opposite of -2 is +2. Go ahead, find g prime, h prime, graph your figure somewhere in this area, and label it properly with f prime, g prime, and h prime. All right, now we're going to do a reflection over the y-axis. Reflection over the y-axis. This time, because it's over the y-axis, the y-coordinate will stay the same, and we will take the opposite of the x-coordinate. Now, we already used f prime, g prime, h prime in the x-axis reflection, so we're going to have to use f double prime, g double prime, and h double prime for the y-axis reflection. Okay, so to go from f to f double prime, we're reflecting it over the y-axis, so it's going to be in this quadrant. And the x-coordinate will be the opposite, so I'm going to take the opposite of this 4, and the opposite of +4 is -4. And the y-coordinate will stay the same, so it will stay -2. All right, go ahead, finish finding g double prime, h double prime, then graph and properly label using f double prime, g double prime, h double prime, your image after the y-axis reflection. If you have any questions on how to complete Bellwork 18A, don't hesitate to ask. Thanks.